In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to embed Calendly on your WordPress site so visitors can schedule appointments directly through your webpage. Whether you're a business owner, consultant, freelancer, coach, or anyone who needs a smoother automated scheduling system, adding Calendly to WordPress can make your entire workflow faster and more professional. To begin, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click it to access your account. You'll notice several login options, but the quickest one is Continue with Google. Select the Google account connected to your WordPress site and wait for the dashboard to load. Once inside the dashboard, look toward the right-hand panel where you'll find a series of quick links designed to help you navigate faster. Click the one labeled Edit Site. This opens the main WordPress editor where you can add new features and customize your pages however you want. Now focus your attention on the top left area of the editor. You'll see an Add button that lets you insert new blocks into your site. Click it, and a search bar will appear along with a list of block types. In the search bar, type Calendly. WordPress will search its block library and show a dedicated Calendly block. Click on the Calendly block to add it to your page. Once the block appears, you'll be prompted to paste your Calendly link. This is the link to your scheduling page or a specific booking type. You can copy this link from your Calendly dashboard. Paste it into the field, and WordPress will instantly load a preview of your scheduling interface right inside your page. This embedded calendar allows visitors to book appointments without ever leaving your website. It keeps everything clean, professional, and seamless. They can choose the date, pick an available time slot, and confirm the appointment using your calendar settings. Meanwhile, all your scheduling stays synced on your end. No emails, no back and forth messages, no confusion. Once the Calendly block is placed exactly where you want it, whether on your homepage, contact page, or a dedicated booking page, press Update or Publish to save your changes. Your site is now ready for appointments, and your visitors can interact with your calendar in a way that feels natural and user-friendly. Embedding Calendly in WordPress is one of the simplest yet most effective upgrades you can add to your site. It helps eliminate scheduling conflicts, reduces wasted time, and gives your visitors a smooth way to connect with you. A streamlined booking process also boosts your professionalism and increases the likelihood that people will follow through with appointments. That's all it takes to integrate Calendly directly into your WordPress site. It's a fast setup, a powerful tool, and an easy win for your business. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new scheduling system.